What up, guys? It's me, Dumpleray 2.0, bringing you a review of another non-grade 1/100 scale Iron Blended Orphans kit. And this is the second in the line, the Graze Standard Type / Commander Type. And this is the first ever 1/100 scale kit I have ever built. So yeah, I'm happy to finally review this guy after having him built for at least a couple weeks now. Finally getting around to reviewing it. And what do I have to say about this kit? It's pretty good. It's just a 1/100 scale version of the high grade with some added gimmicks that the high grade does not have. Mainly here in the blade with this flap opening up to reveal a thruster. The articulation is almost exactly the same as the high grade. You got the head can move around like so. The amazing chest articulation with some moving pistons. Spin that at least like that. Arms like that. Shoulders. Arms. That pops off. Elbow. Wrist. There's a swivel up there on the arm. Front skirts, which do kind of block. Unlike the high grade, the blade has a hard time moving up. I mean, you can get it like that. Double bend in the knee with the knee armor separating foot, ankle armor. And yeah, these two parts on the chest, those have nowhere that connect to in that middle part. So what I did is I glued it. You do have stickers for these little gray sections, so that would make this a pain in the butt for me if I were to, well, not just like a small pain in the butt if I were to paint this kit, which I do kind of plan on painting it once I acquire an airbrush. I want to paint this up just in its normal colors, nothing any too fancy. Or I might make this into a ground type Graze once I get the Graze custom. Again, that is it for all the articulation. Now let's move on to the accessories. And I forgot to mention, just like the high grade Graze, the face and split open. And this should have been just easy, but you do get a sticker for that eye sensor. And that eye sensor, you can move it around, but it's hard to get into there. Okay, and when you lift the head up, this back part likes to move up as well. Well, yeah, let's get into the accessories. And first up, since this is the standard type and commander type, you just swap that top part of the head out for the commander's horn, for the one with the commander horn. And you also get 2 open hands. Nothing special, they're not in any kind of dynamic pose. And you also get the thrusters, which these are the ones that can plug into the back. And they can move around on that ball joint. And then this can move, and then the thruster bells can move as well. Then you also get this part to plug it into the butt or the bat skirt. And it's only 2 weapons, or its essential weapons, and that is the battle axe and the machine gun. Which both of these have a pad that can allow it to plug into the hand, and this has a pad on the side to plug into the side skirt. And for the rifle, all you have to do is just pull the hand apart, plug it, take off the ammunition for the rifle, the 2 ammunition clips, and then the bottom, plug that in, and plug in this bottom part to stabilize the machine gun, and there you have it. That is the Graze machine gun. Now, you can pull out this, and you do get a little adapter to make it a short barrel, like submachine gun version, but I have seemed to have lost that piece somewhere within my bin of extra pieces. And I did through that, and I could not seem to have find it anywhere. So that sucks. Now, if you have the Barbatos 4th Form 1/100 steel kit, with this kit you get the gauntlet arm. But seeing as how I don't have that kit, this is pretty much, well, not completely useless. I do have the Barbatos Lupus, but I don't really plan on ever swapping the arm out for this. So I'll just put that all away. And that is pretty much it for the Graze. It's just a simple 1/100 scale high grade style kit. Nothing too fancy. It was a fun build. I'm really glad I forked out the money to obtain this kit. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'm Gunploy 2.0 signing out.